I want you to watch this video.
You are my everything. Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes, I will.
All right. So if you want to find out how I was able to generate this video 100% with AI for free, then you should make sure you watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you how you can generate stunning AI videos like this with just a simple write-up you're going to impute. And the best part is that it is free. You can use this to create content for your Faceless YouTube channel. You can use this to create advert videos. You can even make money from it. There's this guy that signed a deal with Jazzy's Burger or something like that and it was trending, right? All he did was he created AI videos to promote the brand, and the brand reached out to him and paid him in thousands, hundreds of thousands of naira. So this is the skill that you can use to cash out right now. It is the in thing, but on this channel, I'm going to show you how to do it for free. There's so many trainings on it. There are courses of 5K, 10K, 20K, 50K, but 100% free if you watch this video till the end, step by step. Let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and type VEO3 DeepMind. VEO3 DeepMind. Once you type this, the first link that pops up, deepmind.google.com, click on it and open. You're going to see something that looks like this. Then you click on Try in Flow. This platform is called Google VEO3. It creates AI images, AI videos. It's used for filmmaking, it's cinematic. It has so many amazing features. So you click on Create with Flow, and then you can see how you can convert your text to image and your text to videos. So click on Create with Flow, and then they'll ask you to create an account. Click on Sign in with Google. Accept their privacy policy, select your Google account, click on Continue, and you're good to go. Click on Subscribe, and then once you click on Subscribe, they would ask you to select their plan. Now, this plan comes with 1 month free. 1 month free. It usually costs 28,500. But if you watch this video to the end, I'll show you how you can get up to 6 months for free. So once you select subscribe, don't worry, they won't charge you anything. And you can always go back to your Google Play account to cancel the subscription before the month ends so that they don't debit you. But don't worry, at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can avoid being debited. So the next thing you need to do is to click on the prompt option and type the text of the image or the video that you want. How did I get this prompt? All I did was I went to ChatGPT and I explained to ChatGPT that this is what I want to achieve, but I need a detailed prompt that this software is going to understand. So I went to ChatGPT. ChatGPT gave me the prompt step by step, exactly what I would need, right? And immediately I just copied the prompt. You can see me copying the prompt here from ChatGPT. So if you don't know the kind of prompts to write, one of the easiest ways you can do it is to tell AI to write prompts for AI. AI understands themselves very well. Like, do you understand? So you explain what you want, and the AI is going to revise and work on the prompt A to Z. All you have to do is copy everything and paste. I want to do a prompt that advertises an e-learning platform, right? And so I want somebody to say something like, oh, I want to learn a skill, but I don't know where to start. And then the other person says, okay, you can sign up on this e-learning platform and you can learn a skill. This is an advert video, and I want them to be young Africans. If you want Asians, Americans, you can specify the race, and they're going to create characters that look exactly like a specific person. If you want to create a movie scene, just specify. So I put this in and I had clicked on send. Now, once you click on send, it's going to take a few seconds and you're going to generate the video that you need. Let's play our video and see exactly what it looks like.
Yeah. Sunday,
I want to learn digital skill.
but I don't know where to start.
Ada is just
Yeah. Sunday,
I want to learn the digital skill.
but I don't know where to start. Sunday, I want to learn a digital skill, but I don't know where to start.
Ada is just visit elearn.joseph.
So now I can see that there are some mistakes in this result, right? This person is saying what the other person should say and a lot of things. Now, one of the reasons is that I'm giving them too many things to do at the same time. So subsequently, what I should do is just one thing, just one statement is enough, so that I don't make the system to be confused. Okay. Now let's regenerate and see what we have here.
You've been saying I'll start YouTube soon since 2020. I bet. When exactly is soon?
You see how this is easy and straight to the point, right? Because I've made my corrections from the previous one. Now, I want to try another twist, which is the proposal that you just watched, right? So I want to create a proposal scene, and I'm going to ChatGPT to give me a script for this proposal. It's going to write a script for me that is detailed, an African proposal at a restaurant, and the guy saying, "Will you marry me?" and all of that, and everybody clapping. So I take these scripts that it just generated here. I go back to VEO, I paste it right there, and click on send. And in a few seconds of processing it, it gives me the video that you all watched earlier, which is Adeze, will you marry me? Blah, blah, blah.
My everything, will you marry me?
Yes. Yes, I will.
Adeze, you are my everything, will you marry me?
Yes. Yes.
So now, if you want to save this video, all you have to do is to hold fast on the video or just tap on the video and click on the arrow that you see at the top. Let's go back and watch it a bit and see what we're talking about.
You are my everything.
Now look at the video. Now you see this arrow. You see this arrow that looks like a download arrow. That's where you click on it. Once you click on it, it saves directly to your. So here are some things you need to note when you're using this, right? So you can add the camera angles. If you want the camera to give you an overhead shot or a wide angle shot or a close-up shot, you can include it in your prompt. Your prompt is what will determine what you get. And from experience, this gives you like 8 seconds video. Try and stick to just one statement by one person per second, or at most two people, but very short statements. You can see that the first one I tried to do, it kept just giving me, wrong answers all through the process. Like he kept giving me wrong answers or wrong statements because there were too many things for them to say. So try to break it down. You can do up to 10 different things and then edit and join them together. That was how I was able to come up with the video I used to advertise my online challenge, right? So I would probably add the video at the end of this so that you can watch the video and see how I did. And it was all done with this Google VEO. The first clip was the one we did earlier, right? I couldn't explain that one because we're in a hurry. The first clip was one we did earlier, just the first clip. And I did subsequent clips and I joined everything together to form a video. Okay, so that's exactly how you can use this for free, get started, and actually make stunning videos, advert videos. And if you're confused about what concept to create or what angle to come from, just go ahead and ask ChatGPT to generate a good prompt for you that you just input here and generate a video. Now you can see this place here that shows you VEO3 fast. When you click on it, you can see that you have other options, whether you want to create VEO2 without voice. But VEO3, the first one, actually is the one where you can create with voice, and it gives you exactly something like this.
You are my everything, will you marry me?
Yes. Yes.
So now I have downloaded the video and it's in my phone, and I can take it to CapCut and edit it. Now let me show you how you can get up to 6 months free on this platform. Now you're limited to one account per Google account or per Gmail. So what you can do is to go to your Gmail and create as much as 6 different emails. So for this month, use this particular email to get 1 month free on this account. Before the month runs out, make sure you set up your reminder so you can go and cancel the subscription so you don't get debited. But even if you get debited, you can always send them a mail and they will offer you a refund. But prevention is better than cure. Then the next one is you create another Gmail, and Gmail is free. You can create as many Gmails as you want with your phone. It takes less than 5 minutes. So use your next Gmail to sign up with the same process, get another 1 month free, use another Gmail. Before you know it, you've gotten up to 6 months free access with this, and you can create as many as you want. You've grown your Faceless channel, it's now paying you, and you can now afford to pay for the 1 month subscription, which is around 28,500 naira. So if you learned anything from this video, just make sure to let me know in the comment section. Just say, oh, I learned something, or comment AI videos. Let other people be able to find it. Please also share. I would appreciate if you share this video, let more people find it, and also subscribe and like this video. So I'm just going to attach the video of the AI video I did for my academy. Just watch it and let me know what you would rate it in the comment section. If you want to create videos like, just follow the steps here, step by step, and you create your own stunning AI videos. If you have questions, ask me in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
You've been saying I'll start YouTube soon since 2020. I beg, when exactly is soon?
Yes. In just 5 days, you'll shoot, edit, and publish your first video the right way.
You'll learn how to create your channel and optimize it properly. Shoot and edit your first video. Build a simple content calendar that keeps you consistent.
It's called the Become a YouTuber in 5 Days Challenge, and we start September 1st.
All this for just 2,000 naira. That's cheaper than one plate of shawarma.
Don't keep waiting. Join the challenge and finally launch that YouTube channel, September 1st. Register now before it's too late.